Today, I'm going to show you how to assemble these mini paper pumpkins. We're going to start by taking all the items out of the bag. Be sure to get everything out because there are small pieces included. You're going to want to sort through all of your items and organize them by size to make it easier when assembling. Remove any unwanted areas of the cut pumpkins. Starting with the larger layers, we're going to take one layer of the brown and one layer of the cream chevron. We're going to fold each of these layers in half to make it easier to fold as a whole. Once folded, glue each layer into place. You're going to repeat this step with the remaining 4 layers of the large pumpkin and set aside to dry. Once your pumpkin layers are completed, you are now going to glue one half of one layer to another half of the other pumpkin layer. You will continue this fashion until all the paper pumpkins halves have been glued together and will create a 3D effect when folded out. For our smaller polka dot pumpkins, we are going to repeat the steps as we did with the large pumpkin. Take each layer and fold in half and glue into place. Once each layer is completed, we're going to repeat the steps as we did with the large pumpkin, folding each pumpkin layer in half and gluing the other half layer to the pumpkin. Once all halves have been glued together, you will fan out the pumpkin and glue the sides together, completing your pumpkin shape. Do the same with the smaller pumpkin once it has dried. Next, we're going to fold each pumpkin stem in half to make it easier to glue in place. You will want to fold the pumpkin stem long ways. Once all of your pumpkin stems are folded, be sure to keep the large ones separated from the small ones. Starting with the large stems, we're going to place the glue on the stem and glue to the pumpkin top. Each stem should fit in the crevice of the pumpkin. Repeat the steps for the smaller pumpkin. I found it was easier to apply the glue to the pumpkin's top and glue the stem into place rather than placing glue on the stem and then trying to glue to the pumpkin. Once your pumpkins are completed, it's time for the twine and leaf. Taking the big leaf, we're going to thread the twine through the hole in the leaf and tie it to the large pumpkin. For the smaller pumpkin, take the twine and thread through the hole in the small leaf and tie to the pumpkin. And there you have it, a cute mini pumpkin vignette. Hope you enjoyed crafting with us.